Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. So I have been sharing a lot of products here for adults. Today I'm going to be sharing something different for kids. I've been getting a lot of requests from people to share something on the lines of skin brightening for children. Now what I'm going to be sharing today can be used for kids aging 5 to 10 years. So below 5 cannot use this cream. Any child above the age of 5 can go ahead and safely use this. Now this is a skin whitening cream which we are going to be making today. Absolutely safe to use with all natural ingredients. We are not going to be using any chemical bases in this which is going to cause any type of side effects on the skin. So quickly we'll start with the making. The basic formulation will be shared in the description box. For these advanced ones, you all can connect with me for the workshops. The number is mentioned in the description box. So we'll quickly start now. Here I have both my phases, and the product what we are going to be making is saffron based, because saffron itself is a natural skin lightening ingredient. This is one of those viral creams which you all must have definitely seen with a lot of saffron which is used. So we are going to be making that today. Now here in my water phase I have my distilled water and I have my glycerin. In my oil phase I have my thickeners, my emulsifiers, my skin loving emollients, because these are for kids. So we need extremely hydrating and moisturizing ingredients to keep their skin well hydrated without stripping off the excessive oils. All my active ingredients are also added in this. Now we'll go ahead and heat both these phases. Okay, so I've gone ahead and heated both the phases here, and now my oil phase, you can see this yellow color. The color is because of the saffron oil that I have gone ahead and used in this cream. So now we'll go ahead and add our water phase into our oil phase and we'll give it a blend. Okay, so I've gone ahead and blended this. Now when the mixture is hot itself, I will go ahead and add a little bit of titanium dioxide to this and we will blend it. Titanium dioxide helps to even out the skin tone very well so that you get a very nice even toned skin. You can also go ahead and use kaolin clay instead of this. It gives the same effect. So now we'll just wait for the cream to thicken and to completely cool down. Okay, so I've gone ahead and completely blended this and we've waited for around 10 to 15 minutes till this cools down, and now the mixture looks something like this. Now since this is completely cooled down, we'll add our cool down phase ingredients. Here I have my saffron water. I'm going to go ahead and add that along with my fragrance and my preservative, and again we'll go ahead and give this a blend. So we'll nicely go ahead and blend our preservative and the saffron water that we've gone ahead and added, and you can see how beautifully it is beginning to thicken. Now this cream contains all natural ingredients. There is no chemical base ingredients at all in this, especially because it's going to be used by kids. Even elders, adults can go ahead and use this. For adults who have a very sensitive skin, nothing suits their skin, even they can safely go ahead and use this cream. So we'll just wait for this to completely set and then I'll show you what's the final look of the cream. Okay, so now this is the final look of the cream. If you can see how beautiful it is, the texture, the thickness, the viscosity, and on application also, this is a very lightweight cream, very easily absorbed. It gets absorbed into the skin, and when you use this regularly, you will see a lot of change on your skin tone. You will see your skin starts getting lighter, brighter, more even, and there's a natural glow on the skin as well. So friends, if you like what I share with you all, if you want me to share more such interesting videos with you all, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.